Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel. Today we're going to be showing you the Powermaster alternator for the Super Duty 99 to 03 7.3 Powerstroke trucks and excursion. Powermaster makes a great alternator. For the light duty diesel trucks, we know that you guys are out running transfer tanks, bigger lights, lots of different accessories on this truck. You need a good amperage alternator to be able to support that type of stuff. So Powermaster alternators are definitely a choice that you should consider. Now, Powermaster alternators, they're American made. They come with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. For the 7.3 offerings, again, this part number is, at the time of this filming, it's 7796. This is the 120 amp alternator for the 7.3s for the 99 to 03 pickups and excursion. Now they also offer this in 155 amperage output for you guys that are wanting just a little bit more oomph. But with the Powermaster alternators, you're looking at all OE style connectors, OE fixturing. Everything here is, rib number on the pulley, everything is the same. So this is a completely drop-in alternator, even though it is a performance alternator for you. Now, with the light duty diesels as well, especially those HUE injection systems like your 7.3 and your 6.0s, they rely on an IDM to fire the injectors. Now, with the 7.3s, that IDM makes over 100 volts. So you have a charging system set up in your truck with your batteries and your alternator, and these stock units are designed to be able to supply correct voltage to the IDM and all the stock systems within the truck. But once you start adding the transfer tanks, the extra lights, maybe a winch or something like that, you need more power output, and this is where a performance alternator such as Powermaster comes into play. So again, this is definitely a alternator to check out. Now, this is our 120 amp. Every Powermaster alternator that you're going to get is going to come with an output card. Each one of these has been bench tested. You can see top end on this alternator actually made 135 amps, so it was actually made more than what it was rated. This is a superior charging product. 7.3s, again, cold starts are another thing. You want to make sure that you've got the best charge in your batteries that you can possibly get. You've got to depend on a good alternator to be able to provide that for you. So you're going to be able to get better cold starts out of the truck, operate all the accessories that you've got, fire your stock injection system. This is definitely the alternator for you to check out. So if you have a question about Powermaster alternators, just give us a call. We appreciate you watching this video. Like and subscribe to our channel, and we will also link you inside of this video where you can purchase a Powermaster alternator for your 7.3. Thanks for watching. I don't know what any of this means, but apparently you can buy t-shirts on YouTube now. So we're going to link you directly on here on YouTube in the video somewhere where you can go and you can purchase Thoroughbred Diesel swag. It'll be great. You don't have to leave your video or the YouTube realm or whatever in the hell goes on here. Go here, buy yourself some Thoroughbred Diesel swag.